So, hello friend. All India Institutes of Medical Science, New Delhi, has released its official notification on dated 22/2025. You can see regarding CRE, the conduct of CBT examination of CRE 2024, and the schedule is given between 26 Feb 2025 to 28 Feb 2025 as per detail. And here is shown the table 1 schedule of CBT exam, that is 26 to Wednesday morning shift and group code are mentioned, and again Wednesday, then Thursday, then again Thursday morning evening shift are divided, then Friday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday divided into bilateral morning and evening shift, and the group codes are given as per your applicable. And for annexure A and issued admit card will be released shortly. And yes, the important thing is that due to unavoidable circumstances, examination for the following group will be conducted at later stage, and notice will be issued as soon as possible. And the group code which are not applicable for this exam right now in between these dates are that group 13, 16, 28, 43, that is physiotherapy demonstrator, physiotherapist, multi-rehab worker, etc., and also occupational therapist, and 45, 55, 62. And this group exam will be conducted later on. Notification will be released shortly. And yes, come back to the main examination, which is held in the 26, 27, 28 will be held. So there will be separate question paper of each group, where maximum 2 group CBT held in one shift as per scheme. For candidates who have applied more than 1 or maximum 2 paper will be held in one shift only. Question paper as per scheme of examination visible one after other. Such candidate may be required to appear multiple shift as per application to various group. Separate admit card will be issued for each shift as per annexure. Candidate is required to bring admit card respective sheet with valid ID proof on examination center. Rest detail will be given on admit card. The same examination center has been allotted for the common candidate for applied more than one group or post. If candidate found trying to avoid examination by providing false information such as the status of fees and category like that, so they will be wiped out as per rules. Okay, so admit card will be issued soon, and the admit card to be downloaded from www.aimsexam.ac.in using your login credential and ID. Any changes in time, date, center will be not allowed in under any circumstances, and further this will not be entertained. So biometric verification, the candidate will verify the biometric would enter in the day of examination with Aadhaar card, which is available on dashboard and which will be checked on the examination center. So those candidates who have not opted Aadhaar-based authentication, Aadhaar enabled no at the time of online registration, such can require to bring original identity proof, preferably Aadhaar and other allowed to enter center by capturing vehicle and the biometric. The examination post which will be held on 29, you can see is at the post 28 and 27, 28, a mix format they are given. Okay, so that's all from the AIIMS notice 44/25. Thank you, all the best.